Burton is one of my favorite filmmakers. It was Tim along with Johnny Depp who taught us to dream. Over the years, this unique director has produced a number of dark and enigmatic classics. Here is a list of Tim Burton's top film ranked. Without a question, Tim Burton has a distinctive flair. His fantastical, monster and superhero stories have been entertaining audiences for many years. His film exposed us to unique people and his dark gothic tales elevate him to the top of the industry. Many of the most well-known actors and musicians in Hollywood are constantly looking for an opportunity to work on a Tim Burton movie, as evidenced by the fact that he frequently works with Johnny Depp, Helena Bonham Carter and composer Danny Elfman. His films can have a really positive otherworldly feel about them. His stories are unique and he can humanize even the most repulsive individuals. Here are my favorite 5 picks of Tim's projects. And no, Wednesday is not in the list. Batman. Burton took up the well-known Batman comic book story in 1989, setting the stage for all of the beloved superhero flicks we enjoy today. Despite a lot of protests from the producers, Michael Keaton was chosen to play the cap-wearing hero. Numerous A-list actors attended the auditions, but Keaton, at the time famed for his humorous roles, was selected to play the part. Keaton's brilliant, piercing eyes were a major factor in her being cast, according to Burton in the past. As the frightening Joker, Jack Nicholson commands the screen, and when he teams up with Michael Keaton, the result is a classic superhero movie. The movie was a financial success and Burton went on to helm the follow-up Batman Returns, which starred Keaton as Batman once more and Danny DeVito as the Penguin. The iconic comic book translated beautifully to the big screen thanks to Burton's dark and animated cinematic skills. Ed Wood. This biographical drama for 1994 is based on the memoirs of cult director Ed Wood, who was beautifully portrayed by Johnny Depp. The quirky director was the ideal subject for Burton to base a biography around. Due to his lack of talent, Wood was known for making highly bizarre films that were frequently panned by critics. Despite all obstacles, Wood was successful in making the picture he intended thanks to his committed team, actor Bela Lugosi and other collaborators. Bill Murray, Patricia Arquette and Sarah Jessica Parker are also featured in the cast. Wood was undoubtedly an original who marched to his own rhythm much like Burton, critically acclaimed and the winner of 2 Academy Awards, Ed Wood. Sweeney Todd, the demon barber of Fleet Street. Fans were overjoyed to learn that Tim Burton would be adopting the popular Broadway show. Burton definitely chose the appropriate musical to adopt in Sweeney Todd. Unsurprisingly, Johnny Depp was chosen to play Sweeney Todd in the starring role since the dark, gothic plot fits wonderfully with Burton's aesthetic. Alan Rickman, Sacha Baron Cohen, Helena Bonham Carter and other talented actors make up the ensemble group. The ancient tale of the barber who kills people one by slitting their throats with a straight razor is masterfully told in the movie. Bonham Carter portrays Miss Lovett, his collaborator who is notorious for grinding up the dead in her meat pie shop. The timeless score by Stephen Sondheim works beautifully on the big screen, and the movie received 3 Academy Award nominations. Beetlejuice. Perhaps the most adored movie of Burton's career is Beetlejuice. The movie is totally innovative with great music, endearing characters and amazing practical effects. In the classic tale, Alec Baldwin and Gina Davis plays a deceased couple who have their lives upended by a strange family that moves into their house. The ghost couple appeals to Michael Keaton's masterful portrayal of the demon Beetlejuice to assist them. The duo sets off on a fantastic excursion through the underworld as chaos breaks out. The movie is a unique interpretation of a ghost story and it has a big heart at its core. Eventually, the couple adopts Lydia, a gothic and non-conforming child, into their family as surrogate parents. From start to finish, Beetlejuice is a non-stop adrenaline ride, and Keaton's outrageously funny performance propels the picture. Burton is currently working on a sequel to the popular Broadway musical that was born from the movie, Edward Scissorhands. The fantasy movie Edward Scissorhands from 1990 is a scenario that Tim Burton alone could have told. The narrative centers on Edward, a man who was created artificially, but whose creator never finished. Edward possesses razor-sharp scissors in place of hands. Edward is found by a kind saleswoman named Peg, who introduces him to the neighborhood's eccentric residents. Edward soon develops feeling for Peg's daughter Kim. Despite his admiration for other teenagers, Edward is unable to be treated equally. Although he has a career as the neighborhood barber and landscaper, Edward's true want is Kim's affection. A misfit with a kind heart who will never fit into society because he is so unusual is the subject of this endearing yet melancholy story. Danny Elfman once again proves why he is one of the top composers in the industry with a stunning and eerie score. The vibrant backdrop and eccentric supporting cast all wonderfully complement this one-of-a-kind story.